see that with today's performance, a lot of people turned up. A lot of those from schools with disabilities turned up. And for our program for the next Fiji, although we did not have a lot of our normal athletes, but the day was really made up of those athletes who participated in the Pizza Place program. This is the beginning of our season. It begins today and then it will go on until June of 2015. And I hope that the number of officials and athletes that came up today will continue, maybe more in the months to come. It's trying to become
How will this happen?
Well, it will give us an idea on identifying our athletes, those that we feel will represent Fiji to come and see the games. As I said, it's the beginning of the season. A lot of people found out as the month go on what we picked up from the Waqa against 2013. But this is the beginning. We want to visit as many people as possible. Not only the athletes themselves, but the officials. Something that is always there whenever we have a competition.
What's one thing that you're looking for?
I think we'll try to improve everything. At the moment, we still don't have a sponsor. That is one of our problems. We are hoping that some companies will come to assist us and bring back Fiji to where it was in previous years. We were number one in the Pacific. I think we were beaten Italy only. And we're working very hard now to try to bring it back. We can't bring it back on our own. We'll have to make sure that we work in partnership with companies that are able to give us funds that we could run our program. No, except that, as I said before, we need sponsors. And if you want to come back again as number one, we need companies to be working behind us. And any kind of sponsorship would be appreciated. But that is the means. We only think we are now. We have the expertise around, and unfortunately, expertise alone does not really help if there are no funds to go with it.
Did you get it?